Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to send videos on Discord in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For this, you have to open your Discord. Now open your chat list. After opening your chat list, you'll find here a plus icon. You have to press on it. Now go to upload a file. After pressing this, you'll find your File Explorer. In File Explorer, you have to select your video. Press on Open. Here you can see this. After selecting your video, you have to send it. My video has been sent. So this is how you can send a video on Discord in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.